In this video, we're going to be talking about 5 different myths about autism to help you understand autism and better help people with autism. My name is Craig Kahn. I've got it going on. This is Teamautismpedia, where we're dedicated to helping you help the people with autism so you can better their lives. If you're interested in this type of content, please subscribe so you can get our latest videos. The first myth is that autism is a mental disorder. It's not a mental disorder, it's a developmental disorder. So what that means is that someone with autism has developmental challenges and can often get better over time. That's why this channel encourages learning skills and trying to put those things in action, because those skills and things can be learned and that can help someone grow. A young child with autism will not necessarily be at the same place that they are as a child as an adult, and it's important to work on those skills. Another thing is that medicine is not something traditionally that helps people with autism. It's something that helps someone with mental disorder, which is affected more in the mind, where this is something that can't be as affected by drugs. So you can't teach social skills with drugs. The second myth is that autism people are geniuses. We're able to do so much or be experts on certain things. Like if you look at The Good Doctor, that's a good example of that myth. But no, the average person on the spectrum is average. Most people aren't there. There may be a certain people like Elon Musk who are outliers, but the average person is going to be around the same. Sometimes people with Asperger's, like myself, can be a little bit higher above average in IQ, but not by that much. So that's not true. But what is true is that people with autism do have certain advantages, and I talk about that in another video of mine, which you can see in the card above or in the description below. The third myth is that people with autism lack empathy. That's not true, because people with autism, just like you, feel pain. They experience things that aren't great, but they may not be as good at expressing it, or the fact that they have the flat effect, which doesn't show much expression on their face sometimes, may not show that. So that's something that can be worked on by people with autism, and especially if you're in a relationship, it may be something worth trying to look into to work on, so that your partner can feel you and see you divulging where you are to them and feel that closeness to you. The fourth myth is that autism is caused by bad parenting. Bad parenting is not the cause of autism. Autism is genetic. It's something influenced by environment, and that parenting does not make autism become a part of a child. What it can do is, if you're a good parent, then you can look at finding the right resources for your child with autism and making sure that they get those therapies and other things that they need. And with that, they'll be able to more likely succeed in the world. And that's what we try to encourage here on Teamautismpedia. The last myth with autism is that autism can be cured. Autism is not something that will go away. Autism is a way that someone is going to be thinking, functioning, and living with their whole life. But what can be done is that especially young children can learn skills and make it so that they can have the abilities to succeed in life. Even adults, I've worked on some of these, and if you really want to know 5 ways that you can work on yourself and improve, and these are things that I've done myself, then you should check out this video up there and check out more videos from Teamautismpedia so you can help people with autism.